Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a reliable backup so you can restore later. This is why you use iCloud or iTunes. Once backed up, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings. That removes activation lock and prevents problems. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% or plugged in and on stable Wi-Fi. Now open Settings, tap General, and move directly to the Reset menu. These steps start the irreversible erase process, so double-check your backup. You proceed by selecting Transfer or Reset iPhone and then erase all content and settings. This initiates the secure wipe. When asked, enter your device passcode and then your Apple ID password. This authenticates removal of activation lock. The phone will show progress bars and may restart several times. This is normal because iOS securely deletes keys and user data. Make sure not to interrupt power or network until the process finishes, since interruptions can leave the device in an unusable state. You finish when the iPhone boots to the Setup Assistant. It confirms the erase succeeded and lets you set up as new or restore from your backup. If activation lock appears, make sure you sign in with the original Apple ID. This is why signing out earlier matters. If the phone hangs or shows an error, connect it to a computer and use iTunes or Finder to put it into recovery mode and reinstall iOS. This reliably fixes incomplete erases in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.